Today we're going to unbox and install 2 new accessories for my Cybertruck. These were so hard to get. They sell out on the Tesla shop literally instantly. I was lucky enough to grab them, so let's see what they are. Open up my tonneau cover. And so we have the underseat storage bin and the vault cargo divider. So I got my knife here. Let's get them open. So if you don't know, this is the underseat storage bin, and it basically just makes like a little cargo container for underneath your seats, as per the name, and just gives you a good place to put all of your miscellaneous items in your car. So that looks nice. Got these like what are these things called? Straps. Got these straps here. Okay. Got the Cybertruck logo. Do you see that?
Cool.
Okay. So, if we open up the door, it goes this way, right? I don't really know. So I thought maybe I could install it without having to remove the car seat, but that is not the case. Okay, so I'm popping the seats up so that we can get a better view here. As you can see, this is perfectly designed to slide right in here. This is smart. They're these little kind of tie downs. It's just Velcro. So this just secures to the bars underneath the seat, so this doesn't slide anywhere. So all you do is just literally set it in. So easy. Take this little Velcro thing, put it around the bar, I guess, like that. And then I'll go on the other side, do the same thing. There it goes. That's all it is. It's a very expensive piece of plastic, but it's very functional. This is obviously full of stuff, so I'm just going to redistribute some of this to our new storage compartment. We have our beach blankets. These are like different tie downs for the truck. We can put that up front. A life bag for the kiddo. We'll put that up front, and I don't know what else should we do. Glass cleaner. Let's take that, because this, by the way, cleans the Cybertruck better than anything else we've used. So, pro tip, go to Costco and just buy this spray away. All right, let's see what it looks like in the front. So it's perfect for like longer things like this. Okay, we got this to clean the window on the inside because it's so big, I can't reach it with my hand. I don't know if it really works that great. Kind of helps, but you just have to get in there and reach. Okay, and then let's refold these maybe a little differently. Always have to have park and beach blankets. Living in California, you never know when you're gonna go to the beach. So yeah, this is obviously not even all the way full. This is quite deep. It's definitely over a foot, I would say. I don't know if you're able to see that. And so you can actually stack quite a lot of gear in here. Deceptively large. So I'm super happy with this. I think it's going to be useful. I think if you carry stuff and you like to be organized, I recommend it. It is $250, since I know everyone's going to ask. And yeah, let's close this back up and install the next accessory. Okay, so this is the vault cargo divider. This is the one I'm the most excited about because doing grocery runs or Costco runs, it will be nice to have something to divide up the bed of the truck so that everything doesn't slide around. Ooh. So this is aluminum. So it's a very quality build, and it's quite heavy, and it's black. So that's cool. That looks really nice. I like it. So I was expecting it to come with like a tool. I'm not quite sure how to install it. I do know that it obviously fits into these holes, and so you can put it anywhere along the bed that you want. I want to put it, I'll show you. I think I want to put it right here because I don't want to block this hinge. so I can still get in and out of there. And I think that also like is a good amount of space. So, I don't know what this thing is here. Oh, so that, okay, that is cool. So that comes out and then, oh, look at that. This is how you do it. So you flip it up and they spring in and then you put it down and then that's how it's gonna lock. Nice engineering, Tesla, I like that. Okay, so then that'll also make it really easy to adjust it on the go. You won't have to be like, where's that damn tool? So I can move my thing around, move my knife so I don't shink myself accidentally. Okay, so we're gonna put it, I guess we gotta put it on the other side, which these move, so we could move those, but I'm just gonna put it right here, I think. And you just line up. Am I doing that right? Line up, it feels like it's too tall almost. Am I crazy? Oh. It's almost more of like a pressure, like it's not going inside the holes. It's almost like, this is the same height. It's almost like it needs to be installed here because this is taller. You should come in and see. Like, see that? It's not like clicking in, but on this side, it clicked in. So maybe I just need to like manhandle it a little bit. Ugh. It's so weird. Did I get a bad one? So we've taken a look at it. We've tried it the opposite direction. We keep trying to make it work and it does not fit back here. We can only get it to properly snap in here. And it works really great when it works. However, for $350, I want this thing to be able to be used anywhere in my bed so I can configure it depending on my load. The bed divider does not snap into the side of the bed in the further section. And we've tried a bunch of different configurations. Sometimes we can get one side to snap and the other side won't snap. And then sometimes this side will snap and this side won't. It's kind of janky. And so two hypotheses: this is built wrong, something about the measurement is off, or something is wrong with our bed cover, which there are bolts underneath here. So it's possible we could like take it out and re-bolt it in and maybe get a tighter fit. And basically, I think if this was a little bit lower and more flush to like this level, these would snap in just fine. It's hard to see, but this is a couple millimeters taller than this. And that's really where the problem is, because the height is messing up with the height of the little lugs. So I'm not quite sure what the solution is. I don't know if the solution is get a new one of these or fix the bed, but we will look into it ourselves and also chat with Tesla and see what we can find out. And the big problem with putting it here is you cannot open this. So that's ridiculous. That's dumb. Why would you want to put your accessory over your storage? And then why would you even want just like this little amount of space and this big? It just doesn't make sense. So overall, a pretty frustrating experience. The build quality on this is awesome, and I was obviously very excited about it at first, but the fit is just not there, not it. And for $350, I really expected more from Tesla. So 0 out of 10. Again, I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. I hope something's wrong with it. So that wraps up our video today. If you like this kind of content, if you like content on EVs, tech reviews, etc., go ahead and hit subscribe, like this video. It really helps me out. I'm building my YouTube channel, but you can check me out on all of my other platforms. I will link here, and see you next time.